Your edits look good, so why is nobody watching? Your edits don't suck because you lack skill. They suck because you don't understand attention. Most editors think their biggest problem is effects, transitions, or not knowing the latest trick. I thought the same when I started. I believed if I added more motion, more graphics, more complexity, people would be impressed. But the opposite happened. My views dropped, watch time tanked, people clicked away, and even clients weren't seeing results. That's when I realized something. Editing isn't about adding more, it's about controlling attention. Here's why most edits fail. You overload your timeline with constant zoom-ins, jump cuts, flashy text, and unnecessary transitions. It might look impressive to you as the editor, but for the viewer, it becomes overwhelming. They're not focused on the message anymore. They're trying to figure out what's happening on screen. And the moment that happens, you lose their attention. You also treat music like an afterthought, when it's actually what controls emotion. The wrong track can make a powerful scene feel flat, and the right one can make even a simple moment feel impactful. Music isn't background. It shapes how the viewer feels every second. Then there's the need to change something every few seconds. Zoom, cut, text, effect, non-stop movement. But when everything is constantly moving, nothing stands out. There's no contrast, no pauses, no moments that actually land. It removes weight from your content and turns it into noise. And the biggest issue is your mindset. You're editing to impress other editors instead of making the message clear for the viewer. You already know what's happening in the video, but the viewer doesn't. If they have to think too much to understand it, they leave. Now here's the right way to edit. Step 1. Understand the vibe. Before you even start editing, ask yourself, what is this video about? Who is it for? And what should the viewer feel? Take the same example, a day in my life video. A business owner's video will feel productive, minimal, and focused, while a lifestyle creator's video will feel aesthetic, soft, and emotional. The structure might be the same, but the vibe is completely different. Editing is emotional first, technical second. Step 2. Build the story first and the hook later. Most editors try to create a perfect hook before they even understand the video. That's the wrong approach. First, build the full video. Understand the pacing, the message, the emotion. Feel how everything flows. Then create the hook. Because a real hook isn't random, it represents the entire story. When you build it after, it actually connects and feels meaningful. Step 3. Use motion with intention. Motion graphics are powerful, but only when used correctly. If your animations distract from the message, they're hurting the video. Motion should guide attention, not steal it. It should support what is being said, not compete with it. Don't animate because you can, animate because it adds clarity or emotion. If an effect doesn't improve understanding, remove it. Finally, watch your edit like a viewer. Forget that you edited it and watch it fresh. Ask yourself, did I understand everything clearly? Did I feel something? Or did I want to skip? Be brutally honest with yourself. Because at the end of the day, editing isn't about proving how much you can do. The best edits don't scream for attention, they earn it.